She getting up right now. They left me hanging, now we back, nigga. So, this the car, y'all. We finna rev it. Okay, y'all, we picked her up. She is done down there. She needed a valve cover gasket and a fuel pump. Other than that, we finna see the durability test. I ain't gonna lie, I spent $1,900 on it. The inside clapped out as fuck. The outside is it's still clapped out. Go take it to a body shop, have everything buffed out. But this is gonna be the new like takeover car / track car. I'm gonna try to like make a little drifting build, if that makes sense. So I ain't gonna lie, it's not so bad. Like I have fun with this motherfucker, and the pulls is not that bad. We almost lost the license. We got like 3 points already, y'all. We need to chill out. So it's not bad for $3,500 though. $3,500 and I'm rolling. 1,900 for the car itself. They said it was overheating because the water pump. I knew that was bullshit, because someone would just fix it. Like if it's a water pump, they'll fix the problem. So I looked at it, I started it up, I knew it wasn't overheating. He wanted $2,500. I talked him down to 19, and it wasn't so bad, I ain't gonna lie. Right now we just cruising. I like this car the same as my Scat Pack that got totaled out. Don't worry, we still like Mopar gang. We still come in V8. Do not trip. I'm not trying to do no monthly payments no more. I'm trying to pay cash, so I can own that motherfucker and do what I want. Pay minimum insurance if I want, or full coverage, whatever I choose. I'm not forced to have full coverage and a certain deductible. And then it's kind of like all that money you put into that car for monthly payments, you could be building a car yourself to be even faster. As you can tell, y'all, I probably need new spark plugs. I'm waiting on the tune to come, the little tune I bought. I ain't gonna lie, that motherfucker should add 60 more horsepower to the car. How can I say it? You would never know what's really wrong with the car just buying it off somebody. Right now we just doing a durability test. We're gonna try to spin donuts, go crazy with it, try to blow the engine basically. All y'all gotta do is just stay tuned. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm gonna cut to when we at like the gas station filling up again or something. I just swerved into a bar right now.